Hello everyone, greetings from VisionAid India. I am Narasimhan, a volunteer with VisionAid India in charge of operations. We thank Learning Beyond Vision team headed by Mrs. Monica Chowdhury to have given us this opportunity to address the eye care professionals. Globally, there are an estimated 250 plus million people with vision impairment, and more than 90% of them are from developing countries such as India. India alone, there are estimated 56 million people with vision impairment, which also includes about 8 million with total blindness. Vision impairment imposes several functional disabilities in performing daily activities such as reading, writing, watching television, seeing faces, leisure activities, preparing meals, money management, and personal grooming, and also education. Restricted mobility and orientation skills, particularly in the aged population, make it that much more vulnerable for associated complications. The combination of social, functional, and psychological and economical limitations result in an overall reduction in quality of life of a visually impaired person. We at VisionAid have got a basket of rehabilitation services provided by eye care professionals and professionals from the educational field who try to empower, educate, and enable the visually impaired population. VisionAid has been in the forefront of providing vision rehabilitation services with visual impairment either directly or through the partner network of reputed and well established eye hospitals with state of the art infrastructure and knowledge about the medical advancements that are happening. Assistive technology is also advocated by VisionAid, where low vision devices are distributed at a subsidized cost for the benefit of the low vision population. VisionAid also has got a online academy where all the training programs are imparted to the visually impaired population. We request each one of you to propaganda the services which VisionAid is doing on medical rehabilitation, assistive technologies, and also skill development by way of a training in computer applications, mobile technologies, spoken English at 2 levels, corporate skills development program from the point of view of a placement service. We are indeed glad to partner with Learning Beyond Vision to take the vision rehabilitation services to every nook and corner through the active participation of each one of you. Thank you very much again. All the best to each one of you.